Hi, I'm Chef Carol, and today I'm going to make the cookie that I go to whenever I have a need for chocolate. This cookie is a double chocolate cookie. It contains a chocolate batter in addition to chocolate chunks. It soothes my soul when I need chocolate. So let me introduce you to the ingredients. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I have mise en place the following ingredients. I have 2 cups or 224 grams of almond flour. I have 2/3 cup of dried cocoa, dark, or 74 grams. I have 1 cup of swerve brown sugar. I have 1 egg. I have a 1/2 cup or 60 grams of dark chocolate sugar-free bits. I also have 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I have a teaspoon of baking soda. I have here a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. My oven is currently preheating to 350 degrees. The first thing I'm going to do is combine the flour, the cocoa, the baking soda, and salt into a small bowl and mix it. And in a separate large bowl, I'm going to whisk together the sugar and the oil until it's well mixed. Then I'm going to add in the egg, the buttermilk, and the vanilla. Once that's completely mixed, I'm going to add the flour mixture to the oil mixture. Then I will stir in the sugar-free chocolate chunks, and using a small cookie dough scooper, I will put those onto a parchment lined sheet, and just moistening my hands, I will gently flatten down each one of the cookies. They will bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes or until they're done, and you want to be sure not to over bake them. So let's get to it. oven is ready, and I will place these in the 350-degree oven, and I will check them after 8 minutes to see if they need a little more time. The cookies have baked for 10 minutes. When you bake almond cookies, you have to allow them to cool completely. You'll notice when I touch it that they're very soft. These cookies will have a nice crunch on the outside, and they will be soft on the inside. So I have a few more batches to do, and I'll see you at the end.